Now to a story about broken trust. An attorney accused of misappropriating more than $1 million left for the daughter of a fallen state trooper.
Trooper Todd Larkins was killed in the line of duty in 2005. His death raises awareness surrounding the move-over law. But Larkins also left behind another legacy, a trust for his only daughter. Now the TBI is investigating what happened to that money. The News 4i team's Lana Otler is digging through the details.
Imagine what this young woman has been through. First, she endured the death of her father. Now she's left with questions surrounding money left for her and her alone. It was a death that shook Dixon to its core. A young trooper killed in the prime of his life. Todd Larkins was struck by a tractor trailer during a traffic stop on I-40.
We don't want anybody else's family to have to go through this.
But 12 years later, Larkins' family is enduring a nightmare of a different kind, leading this legal expert to ask, what went wrong?
Someone should have rung this bell and try to stop this.
Larkins left behind a wife and 12-year-old daughter, Karina, who received $6.6 million in a wrongful death lawsuit. According to court documents, a separate trust containing $2.6 million was created just for Karina. But this summer, when Karina tried accessing that money, she couldn't.
It looks like the system has failed her on multiple levels.
So what happened? Attorney Jack Garton was tapped to oversee the trust. But now, in this complaint filed with the Board of Professional Responsibility, Garton is accused of misappropriating the funds. This transcript states Garton withdrew more than $1 million from the account, including roughly $300,000 last year alone.
If what has been alleged is true, it's absolutely wrong. It's wrong on multiple levels.
Not only that, court records show Garton had unfettered access. Former Dixon County Juvenile Judge Andrew Jackson issued this order in 2014, giving Garton discretion without court approval. And when Karina's lawyer tried finding the trust case file, she discovered it was gone. At a hearing last month, Garton testified he never had the court file, ever. When the News 4i team went to Garton's law office in Dixon,
I'm on Channel 4. I was wondering if Jack Garton was here.
A partner told us Garton wasn't there. Yet 4 minutes later, Garton himself walked out of the building.
Mr. Garton?
Mr. Garton could... And with that, Garton drove away. Last week, Garton's law license was suspended by the state Supreme Court. A special prosecutor from Davidson County will handle the case. Something else we found, court documents state Karina's biological mother was withdrawing money even after Karina became an adult. Tom.
Alana Adler tonight, a lot of thanks.